Hi guys, welcome to our channel. It's Abby and my mom. Today I'll show you how to ride my bike, but my mom's holding the camera right away. Mom, how do I Mom, go.